Cajun shrimp and andouille sausage fried rice. Y'all ready? Let's go! First, we're going to be taking our wok, adding in 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Goes right in. Next, we're going to be cracking in 4 eggs, adding just a little bit of salt and pepper. Cook this until scrambled, then adding in our andouille sausage next. Mix it combined until everything is brown. Then adding in celery, white onion, parsley, garlic. Cook everything until translucent. Now adding in 1 pound of small shrimp. 4 cups of cooked old rice goes right in next. Combine this all well, then adding in 16 ounces of frozen peas and carrots. Light soy sauce, oyster sauce, mirin goes in next. Now adding in a pinch of Cajun seasoning. Finish off with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Green onion to garnish. And there we have it. A simple, amazing Cajun fried rice with andouille sausage and shrimp. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye!